Hello, farmers are wasting orange peas. See how they can boost poultry growth and stop pests instantly in poultry and livestock farming. Orange peas are often discarded as waste, but they are packed with essential nutrients, medicinal properties, and natural pest control benefits that can boost poultry immunity, enhance growth, and control pests naturally. Nutritional composition of orange peas per 100 gram. 100 grams of orange peas have 25 to 30% energy. Fiber is 9 to 10%, which improves digestion. Protein is 1 to 2%. Lipids, that is fat, 1 to 2%. Vitamin C, 100 to 136 milligram, powerful immune booster. Vitamin A, 15 to 30 IU, which supports vision and immunity. Vitamin B complex, B1, B2, B3, and B6, essential for growth. Flavonoids, anti-inflammation and antioxidant properties. It has essential oil like citral oil and limonene oil. These are natural insect repellents. It has calcium, 150 to 160 milligram, which strengthens bones and eggshells in egg-laying birds. It has magnesium, 20 to 25 milligram, which supports metabolism. It has potassium, 160 to 180 milligram, essential for muscle functions. It has phytochemicals and polyphenols, tannins and carotenoids, antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-boosting properties. What are the medicinal benefits of orange peas for poultry and livestock animals? Every poultry farmer needs to know this. Please relax. Make sure you watch this video till the end. And if you are just new to this particular channel or any of my channels, please subscribe right now and activate the bell notification so that once I get an update on this particular video or any of my videos on poultry and livestock animals, I will release them and you will get notified by this our wonderful platform. Share this video to reach more farmers. Give it a thumb up immediately so that other farmers can get this video and watch and gain the same knowledge you have gained in here. Immune boosting and disease resistance is one of the strongest points of using orange peas. This is a waste, but you are not paying for it. But you are gaining something from it. It's very high in vitamin C, which strengthens immune response and helps fight off infections. It has flavonoids and polyphenols, which reduces oxidative stress in poultry, especially broilers, preventing diseases like Newcastle disease and infectious brucella disease (IBD). It has anti-inflammatory properties, which helps in faster recovery from infections. It enhances growth and weight gain. Very rich in fiber, which improves digestion and nutrient absorption. It's very rich in carbohydrates and essential minerals, which provides energy for rapid growth. It improves feed efficiency, enhances feed utilization, leading to faster weight gain and faster growth. It can act as a dewormer and antibacterial agent because it contains tannins and polyphenols that help expel intestinal worms, kills harmful gut bacteria like Salmonella and E. coli, thereby reducing disease outbreak in poultry and livestock farm. It can control pests, parasites like lice, mites, flies, and mosquitoes. All these flies and parasites causes havoc in poultry and livestock production. Insecticide against mites and ticks. Even if your dog or your hair animals have all these mites and lice, you can squeeze the orange peas and rub it on their body. It's going to expel them immediately. The limonene and citric acid, which is essential oil, act as natural insecticide against mites and ticks to replace mosquitoes that can spread avian malaria and fowl pox. Dried orange peas powder can be sprinkled in the cube to repel pests. It improves egg production and eggshell strength. The calcium and magnesium strengthens eggshell, preventing soft and misshaped eggshells in poultry and livestock. The vitamin B complex enhances reproductive health and increases egg laying capacity, most especially for breeder stock. You want to get maximum hatching rate, use orange peas. How to use orange peels in poultry farming. Orange peels powder is a good feed supplement. Dry the orange peels under the sun until it dried very well. Grind it into fine powder and mix with poultry feed. Dosage: for chicks 0 to 4 weeks, 2 to 3% of the total feed. Growers 5 to 12 weeks, 4 to 5% of the total feed. Layers and broilers 5 to 7% of the total feed is good for them. Orange peel tea can be used also to boost immunity of your poultry and livestock animals, and at the same time used to deworm your poultry and livestock animals also. Boil fresh or dried orange peels in water for 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cool down. After cooling, then mix into drinking water. Dosage: for chicks 50 ml per liter of water once a week. Growers and adults 100 ml per liter of water twice a week. Orange peel spray for pest repellent and cube cleaner. Blend fresh orange peels and strain the juice out. Mix with equal parts water and spray in your poultry cube. It acts as a natural insecticide, keeping lice, mites, and mosquitoes away from your poultry house. Whole orange peel in nesting box can be kept to control lice. Place dried orange peels in nest box to repel mites and lice naturally. You know that once your chickens start laying, you don't need to give them any medications. If not, it may affect their laying capacity. So instead of throwing away orange peels, use them to boost poultry health, improve growth, and control pests naturally. Will you try this on your farm? Let me know in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe for more poultry and organic poultry farming tips. If this is the first time I'm coming across the channel, this is the time for you to subscribe right now and activate the bell notification. Do well also to join our channel community membership. Subscribe to the channel membership. This will be done every month. Then you become a bona fide member of this channel, so that anytime you have an issue in your poultry and livestock farming, you can call us and we'll chat to and discuss with you one-on-one to help you to grow your own business while you're helping us to grow our channel and linking other poultry farmers that need this knowledge. Thank you for watching. Are you new to poultry business, or are you new to broiler? Which type of poultry agribusiness are you into? Please tell me on the comment section. Let me guide you also. Are you into broiler? Are you into layers? Are you into piggery or rabbit? Which breed? Which type? Let me know on the comment section also. Do you know how to make the feed? Do you want to learn how to make the feed? Let us know. Are you finding it difficult to feed a chicken due to the high cost of commercial feed? Let me know. Do you want to produce poultry feed at a very cheaper rate and high quality? Let me know. We also guide you. This is one of our business also. We also guide you on how to go about it. You can produce the feed and send it to your location, and you still collect it through a bill. Thank you for watching. For now, I say bye.